Trigonometry. Does this word make you feel a bit nervous? If so, you are not alone. But take a deep breath and don't worry. Today we are putting aside rote memorization and taking a journey to the heart of trigonometry, the unit circle. You will see that trigonometric ratios are more than just triangles, they are simply the movement of a point on this circle. In the circle with a radius of 1 unit, the line we draw from the center to the right is our starting point. We create our angle as we move counterclockwise. Let's consider any point Pxy on the circle. Let's call the angle it makes with the origin alpha. Here is the secret. The x-coordinate of this point always gives us the cosine alpha value. The y-coordinate is the sine alpha value. Why? Because our hypotenuse is 1 unit. Therefore, the adjacent side is cosine alpha and the opposite side is sine alpha. From this, we reach that famous identity. Sine square alpha plus cosine square alpha is equal to 1. This is actually nothing more than the equation of the unit circle itself. So, what happens if the angle exceeds 90 degrees? No need to be afraid. Thanks to the unit circle, we can easily find the values of wide angles. In the second quadrant, since x values drop into the negative, cosine is negative. Since y values are still above the axis, sine is positive. To remember who is positive in which quadrant, it is enough to look at the plus and minus signs on the coordinate plane. For example, finding the sine of 150 degrees is actually like looking at the sine of 30 degrees, which completes it to 180. Just don't forget to check the sign of the quadrant it's in. Finally, let's not forget tangent and cotangent. Tangent is the line tangent to the unit circle at the x is equal to 1 point. Cotangent is the y is equal to 1 line. The identities tangent alpha is equal to sine alpha over cosine alpha and cotangent alpha is equal to cosine alpha over sine alpha arise from this geometric arrangement. Remember, trigonometry is not a pile of formulas. It is the mathematics of a dance on the unit circle.